Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect ChatGPT with Canva. So all you have to do is head over to chatgpt.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into an account. Next, in the left panel, just click on GPTs. In the search bar, we're just going to search for Canva. And from here, we're just going to click on Canva, then proceed by clicking on Start Chat. Connecting Canva and ChatGPT can be a powerful combination for content creation, marketing, education, and design work. And from here, you can start typing a prompt. So I have here a sample prompt asking ChatGPT for a 5 slide Instagram carousel in Canva for personal finance coaching business. And from here, we're just going to send this and let ChatGPT do its thing. And as you can see, ChatGPT generated new ideas from the prompt that we sent. And this is extremely beneficial for our productivity growth. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!